Hello dear friends. Now we'll learn what is the market price and what is the factor cost. See, there are factories or organizations who create goods, and these goods are provided in a market. But a goods, when it is produced in an organization and reached to the market, that has to go through with the services provided by the government. Government provides us transport, facilities, and etc. With the help of government services provided to us, factories, organization, whatever they produce the goods, provide their goods through these services to the market. So giving the services to the organizations to provide their goods to the market, government charge on this services tax. This tax is added in this goods, or we better take it added, right? So if suppose the goods which is produced in a factory is for rupees 10, so and this rupees 10 goods is reaching to the market with the help of services provided by the government. If services are not provided by the government here, like a road, transport and facilities, this goods which is provided by the organization will not be able to reach to the market. So when government is providing us the services, so they charge taxes on us. So suppose the goods we are produced in this organization is for costing rupees 10, the production cost is rupees 10. Government charges tax on providing services for this 10 rupees good, suppose a rupees 2. So 12 rupees, it's market price. 12 rupees is the price which organizations decides on what they sell in a market. So ultimately, what is the market price is the price of a production, the production price of a goods when it is produced in an organization, plus the indirect taxes added by the government to the goods which are produced in the organization. Why indirect taxes? Because the service tax what government charge, they are counted in indirect taxes. Clear? Okay. Now what is factor cost? So simply market price is equal to production price plus indirect tax. In some cases, government also provides subsidies for the producer to produce some kind of goods. In that case, we have to add subsidies also here. So the market price is equal to production price plus indirect tax added to it and plus subsidies provided by the government. Now what is factor cost? Factor cost is the pure cost. So simply factor cost is the cost which is not a market price. That means the cost which does not include indirect taxes and subsidies if there are any provided. So simply, if you have to get factor cost from market price, we have to reduce if we have to get factor cost from market price, we have to minus the indirect taxes and plus the subsidies. Received. Why the plus here? Because subsidies are received for the goods we produce in a country or in a factory. So when you minus the indirect taxes from subsidies, indirect taxes and subsidies provided for the goods from the market price, we get the factor cost. Clear? Now one last thing, you can also directly minus here for the just for the calculation sake, from market price we can directly minus the net indirect tax and we'll get the factor cost. Net indirect tax is itself means indirect tax paid plus the subsidies received. Clear? What the net means? Net means that indirect taxes plus the subsidies. Remember the first calculation. First we have added in minus the indirect taxes plus the subsidies. So net here means combinely the both indirect taxes paid of the goods. Suppose this is a good. So indirect taxes paid plus the subsidies received. Clear? Thank you.